If you haven't discovered Google Arts and Culture yet, then treat yourself and give yourself half an hour to have a look round. It's an amazing resource and one that's growing all the time. The project is all about collecting thousands and thousands of the world's artworks, all in high resolution, and then it's about curating those images in all sorts of amazing ways. And it's the curation that's interesting. As you can imagine, with so many works, it would be impossible to know where to start. The joy of the site, of course, is exploring it yourself, so all I'm going to do is point out one or two of the great features. You begin on a home page which is constantly updated with featured stories. There's always an eclectic range, and even if you don't get past this page, there's plenty to interest anyone. If you click on the burger at the top left, you get lots of other options. Some of them are obvious, so you can search by artist or medium or art movement. Do have a look at the themes. This is full of all sorts of really interesting and beautifully curated stories. And do have a look at the collections. These are collections held by many of the world's greatest galleries. And as well as being able to view many of their works, you can also take a virtual tour and walk around looking at the works in situ. So if we look at the Musée d'Orsay, for example, down here you can see many of the works and go straight to a high-res image of them. But if you click the little fella here, then it will take you on a virtual tour. And just as with Google Earth, you can move around and explore and zoom in. I won't go any further. You can explore yourself. Most exciting of all, possibly, is the experiments section. Now this contains a number of extraordinary ways that people and machines have tried to organise the collection. It's really amazing, and I'd really encourage you to explore this section. So there we are. It's an amazing resource, and it's completely free.